Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Evin Fathnisa. You can call me Evin. I'm a student at Yogyakarta State University. My major is math education. In this video, I will talk about Khawarizmi discovery in the field of mathematics. So before we talk about Khawarizmi discovery in the field of mathematics, I will tell you guys about what is mathematics. Exactly what modern mathematics. So yeah, modern mathematics is a complex and abstract field that requires research and experimentation, but it also provides the basis for all technological marvel we enjoy today. Without the extraordinary thinking of an eccentric Islamic mathematician, Al-Khawarizmi, today's world of mathematics would look very different. And now, back to the topic. So yeah, this is Al-Khawarizmi. This is Al-Khawarizmi has name complete Abdullah Muhammad bin Musa Al-Khawarizmi. He was born in Khorasan province and now called the country of Uzbekistan in 164 Hijriah. He died in Baghdad, Iraq in 2032 Hijriah, and the other literature it is stated that he died in year 2035 Hijriah. And next, because of intelligence and his intelligence allowed Al-Khawarizmi to enter Dar al-Hukama, a scientific research and development institute founded during Abbasid period by Caliph Harun al-Rashid. Knowing more about Khawarizmi, in his book Al-Jabar wa al-Muqabalah, he formulated and explained trigonometry table in detail. He also introduced basic calculus theories in easy way, which in the end Al-Khawarizmi became a milestone in the history of algebra, which is currently developing into mathematics. Even he made algebra into an exact science, so it is appropriate that Al-Khawarizmi is called the father of algebra. So yeah, this is scientific discovery of Muhammad bin Musa Al-Khawarizmi. The first one is algebra, the second one is trigonometry, and the last is logarithm. So yeah guys, I will tell you about invention of algebra. So Al-Khawarizmi discovered the concept of algebra. Algebra is a branch of mathematics that studies simplification and problem solving using symbol instead of constant and variables. The concept of algebra applications put forward by Al-Khawarizmi are, for the example, the first one is 3 times a equal a plus a plus a equals 3a, and the second one 4 times 5a equals 20a. So the operation of algebra is multiplication in algebra. am times an equals am plus n. The second one is addition and subtraction. For example, 5x plus 2x equals 7x. And the last one is square. The quadratic formula in algebra is a plus b quadrat equals a quadrat plus 2ab plus b quadrat. So another way can be to use a special triangle. We move in trigonometry discovery. Trigonometry is a part of mathematics that studies the relationship between the side and angle of the triangle and basic function that arise from the relation. From these relations, trigonometry is a very important mathematical science in life. The application of trigonometry in life covers all fields such as astronomy, geography, music theory, electronics, economics, medical, engineering, and many more. With trigonometry, we can measure the distance of a star in space without having to go there. With trigonometry, we can measure the angle of the height of the cliff without having to climb it, and can also measure the width of a river without having to cross it. That's the benefit of studying trigonometry in everyday life. Trigonometry was also studied by Al-Khawarizmi, and he took conducting research on the science of trigonometry. He is said to have been the first to create and publish trigonometry tables, in which there are sin and tan. Then in the 12th century AD, the trigonometric table were translated into Latin. And we move in logarithm. Algorithm discovery. Algorithm is one of the branch of mathematics. The word of algorithm comes from the Latinizations of the name of Al-Khawarizmi, which is listed in his work in Latin in the 12th century, namely algoritma de numero indorum. At first, the word algoritma is a term that refers to the arithmetic rules for solving problems. At first, the word algoritma is a term that refers to the arithmetic rules for solving problems using Arabic numeric numbers. Then, the 18th century, this term became an algorithm that includes all the procedure, the sequence of steps that are clear and necessary to solve a problem. In this case, the first thing that is emphasized in the flow of thought of complete a job that is poor in writing is the flow of thought. So it can be understood that everyone's algorithm can be different from the others. The second approach is written, which can be in the form of sentence, table, and certain picture. For example, if someone wants to send a letter to someone on elsewhere, Then the step that must be taken is to write a letter, then put the letter in the envelope. Then the envelope is stamped, then go to the post office to send it. Okay, next, this is the conclusion. So yeah, Khawarizmi was the first scientist to write a book in the field of mathematics. He has also made a major contribution in pushing the walls of human civilization until we have now reached the advanced phase of world civilization due to several scientific research results and books written in the field of mathematics, calculating, algebra, and geometry. Until now, the name of Khawarizmi continues to be known as the father of algebra in the world of science, thanks to his monumental discovery. Okay, guys, sorry if I make mistake in this video, and thank you for attention. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.